Alright, cinnamon challenge. Ground cinnamon and the victim. Yeah, show me the teaspoon when you, right, so. All the haters on YouTube can see. Oh my god, look at that.
No, you're just spitting on me.
Watch out then.
I'll swallow it. Just drink out of this. Yeah, drink out of that.
Hey guys!
Don't do it. Colin, don't do it. Don't do it. Oh my god, we just had another victim. Come drink water. Alright, that was funny shit right there. Alright.